to my channel, and here is the good news for all the Dogecoin holders, because behind it's the great Elon Musk. Now, after a tweet of Elon Musk, it surged approx 12%. And here is the tweet. Working with Doge devs to improve system transactions efficiency, potentially promising. So, as we all know that Doge was a meme coin, but it is not the meme coin anymore, because behind it the Elon Musk, and now he is tweeting about to work with the Dogecoin for developing a use case in the real world. And for that tweet, if you go to the tweet section, the 12% of increase of Doge. On the other side, if you see there, he has done a comparison too, a voting where he is telling that, do you want to accept Tesla to accept Doge? Do you want Tesla to accept Doge? And approx 78% of the people are saying yes, that they want Tesla to accept Doge. And after that, joining the dot, there is a one thing that is trending on the YouTube or on Twitter, that is Doge for Tesla. And if you are a Doge holder, I think it's a right time. It's a right time to buy more and hold it, because something is going to happen. Something is going to happen. And that's it. You can see it. That's his tweet of accepting Doge for Tesla and the results of Doge. So you guys hold it. Is that picture, Dogecoin beyond the moon, and everybody is holding. And yeah, this is the picture. Yes, it's very promising right now, because it is very cheap. But if the developers in the backend develop something interesting for the real world use cases of Dogecoin, then I think surely it will be a very good investments you can make. Yeah, the Dogecoin economy is coming. There should be no doubt about it anymore. That's it. So that's it for today's video. I will come again with some another video